Now Bonzo's story continues. Then what happened? Peter also whistled. Bonzo, Bonzo, come here. But Bonzo was hiding because he did not want to take a bath. He crouched in the bushes and he waited. Now Peter's father was getting very angry. He began to look for Bonzo. He hunted everywhere and so did Peter. But the bath water got colder and colder. Itna cold ho gaya that the water was of no use only. So they had to throw the water off. So then Peter and his father, they stopped looking for the naughty little dog. And तभी Bonzo ने धीरे से ही slyly saw and he went to the open window. They were very angry with him. He was listening to them when they were talking. That silly dog. It's too late to go and get my magazine also. मुझे newspaper लेने का था, magazine लेने का था Peter. तो Peter बोलता I'll go and get it पापा. No, let it be. तो पीटर बोलता है आई थिंक इट्स वेरी हॉरिबल ऑफ बॉन्जो टू बिहेव लाइक दिस. मैंने इतना अच्छा उसके लिए लीश लाया था. ही इज़ अ नॉटी डॉग. नाउ पुअर बॉन्जो व्हेन ही हर्ड ऑल दिस ही वाज फीलिंग वेरी बैड. ही फेल्ट वेरी अपसेट एंड सैड एंड oh no, they all thought that he was a very naughty and horrible dog. He thought he will go and say sorry. So he slowly went to the door and he said, Peter saw him and Peter said, look daddy, look mommy, here's Bonzo. You are hiding somewhere? But see, he's saying sorry. तो उसका फादर ने बोला ignore him. We'll not talk to him only. तो ही उसको that is his punishment. So nobody spoke to Bonzo. Nobody patted him. Nobody looked at him. And Bonzo was very sad. अभी मैं क्या करूँ? What should I do so that that Peter and my papa will, human papa will forgive me? He licked Peter's father's fingers. He licked Peter's face, but no, he went to the mama. But nobody, किसी ने उसको ध्यान ही नहीं दिया. सब लोग ignore किया. So he sat with his head on his paws and he thought of an idea. What do I do? What do I do? Then he had an amazing idea. He decided कि वो दुकान में जाएगा और उसका वो पीटर का पापा का न्यूज़पेपर और मैगजीन लेके आएगा. एंड मैं धीरे धीरे वो सोचा आई विल कैरी द न्यूज़पेपर इन माई माउथ एंड आई विल गेट इट बैक. Now Bonzo jumped and went into the hall and वो उसने एक कॉइन लिया. चुपके से कॉइन सब मुंह में नहीं डालने का. एंड he took the coin धीरे से between his teeth and he went to the shop. He went to the shop and the owner was reading a book. उधर जो shopkeeper था. Hello Bonzo, is Peter coming for his father's magazine? तो Bonzo ने क्या किया, ऊपर से जंप करके वो कॉइन डाला. तो man was shocked. अरे वाह, तू पैसा लेके आया. Take. And the man waited for Peter to come, but Peter नहीं आया. Where is Peter? Bonzo sat up and begged. अभी Bonzo को बोलने को नहीं आता है. And वो Bonzo बोलना चाहता था कि shopkeeper uncle ये लो money and give me the magazine. But the shopkeeper uncle did not understand what is to be done. उसको लगा Peter पीछे से आ रहा है. Woo 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 woo. The man suddenly he folded and he gave it to Bonzo. And the little dog he snatched it and he ran out of the shop. Bonzo raced back home. He didn't talk to a single dog on the way. वो भाग करेगा तो उसका मुंह से न्यूज़पेपर गिर जाएगा.